How to delete your account on TikTok mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to delete your account on TikTok mobile. First then open TikTok and then click here profile, and after you click on it click these three lines in the top and then click settings and privacy, and here you will find manage account. Click on it and now click delete account and then click skip or select here anything you want, and here you can request download or just click here and click continue.
And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.